Hey there guys, so if you want to lower and get cheaper Spectrum internet, what are the things you have to do? So first thing first, what you need to do is that you need to reach the retention department that you want to say like cancel or disconnect to the automated system. And what you can do is that you can like possible lower the retention. Now another thing is that the easiest way is to do it is to cancel and have a new family member open an account under their name. So this is something that you can also try to do, and maybe it would be like better. Now also another thing is that you want to leverage competitors, so we want to mention specific competitor rates in your area, such as like AT&T, T-Mobile, local fiber options, and state that you are considering switching. So also new customer promo, if you have a spouse or roommate, cancel your service and have them sign up under their name to get a new customer, lower to your pricing. And of course you can use your own equipment, and you can also even get like lower speed if you want. So this is another thing that you can actually do, but of course you want to like be polite, and if it's possible for you, even like bundle it with mobile. That's like another thing that you can try to do. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day.